Hey, it's Holly Nicole George, the Twister Sister, back with another free balloon animal tutorial just for you guys. This week I'm going to show you how to do a super trendy floral bunny ear headband that you can wear. It only takes 3 balloons. It's really pretty easy, so let's get to it. So for this week's balloon, we're gonna need 2 160s. I've chosen this gorgeous fuchsia color and a nice yellow. These are by Vitalitex, really nice, bright, vivid colors, which I love. And then I am gonna go with purple, a nice lilac, light purple color for the ears. It looks fabulous in white, gray, pink. Any color is great for the ears. Now, it is super trendy right now to add flowers with like any kind of animal ears. So once you learn the concept for this design, you can just change the ears and be super trendy with your younger customers making these things for them. Like unicorns are really popular, deers, you could probably change it into cat ears. There's just like so many things you could do with the same design. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time we put out new videos so you guys don't miss any fun and awesome balloon related videos. So let's go ahead and get started with today's design. So I've just got my 260 here. I've left about a 2-inch tail, and I'm just gonna start off at the front with a nice big pinch twist like that. And then we're gonna do the ears. So fold your balloon over so it's the size that you want your ear to be, and then just give it a twist into your pinch twist there. Okay, and now we're gonna come across about 1 inch or 2. We need a spacer bubble, so however far apart you want your ears to be. And I'm gonna do another pinch twist right here at this point. And I've got the rest of my balloon facing up, ready to go for the second ear. We're just gonna fold it over, check and make sure that it's the same size as our first one, and then twist it into the bottom. So now we've got 2 bunny ears. What I like to do with these bunny ears is give them some shape. So you can squeeze them while you're folding them over. Give a little squeeze, and that will give your bunny ears some nice shape that really adds some character and some uniqueness to your design. There we go. Okay, so those are the simple bunny ears. Now we're gonna attach them to a headband, which I just so happen to have right here. So whatever you have here at the end, this is what we're gonna use to attach to our headband. So just grab some scissors and cut a hole in this, or if you are comfortable, you can just rip off the end there. You just wanna make sure that you leave yourself enough of a tail to wrap this onto your headband. So I'm just gonna take a little headband here. It's gonna go underneath the headband and then twist it back up around the balloon. So same thing on the other side. You're gonna find the nozzle and you're just gonna attach your other ear the same way to the other end of your headband. And now you're gonna have really cute, simple 1 balloon bunny ears. Check it out. These are so cute, you guys, right? Am I the only one that thinks this? I don't think so. So those are my simple 1 balloon bunny ears. Great for line work. I love doing headbands and wearables at festivals and line work type events because balloons are less likely to pop or be discarded when people are wearing them. So let's step it up a notch now and add a really pretty little flower crown to our bunny ears. You're gonna need your 160s. I've got my pink and my yellow here, and we can start off at the very beginning by tying them together. Okay, so decide which one's gonna be your flower petals and which one's gonna be the middle part of your flowers. I'll be using pink, and you're gonna need 15 small bubbles. We're doing 3 flowers with 5 petals each. 3 times 5 is 15, and you wanna make these bubbles as small as you possibly can, and it's gonna look the best if you get your bubbles to be consistently sized. So try your best to make them all the same size as close as you possibly can. Alright, we've got 15 little tiny bubbles here on our string of pearl. We're gonna just connect the first and the last bubbles here. Just bring all that together, twist it up, and we've got this nice little necklace looking thing. Okay, so line this up, kind of hold it out so you can see all your bubbles. We're gonna have a bottom row here and a top row. What you wanna do is find 2 bubbles on the bottom row, the first 2, and then the first 3 bubbles on the top row, and we're gonna combine those 5 bubbles. So bring the first bubbles into the bottom 2 and twist together. And that will make your first little flower. Okay, we're gonna rinse and repeat going across here. The next 2 bubbles with the next 3 on top. We're gonna make a twist, and that will end you up with 3 connected little flowers that are gonna be so cute on our flower headband. Now we're gonna be working with our yellow balloon to fill in the centers of each flower. So at the very beginning, I like to start with a pinch twist in the yellow balloon, just a small little pinch twist. So small round circle, make that into a pinch twist. Squeeze your balloon out as you go so it's nice and soft. We're gonna come and do 1 little spacer bubble after that pinch twist. And then we're gonna do a little bit bigger, like kind of a nice fat half-inch bubble or so. We're gonna turn this bigger bubble into a pinch twist. Now we're gonna take this pinch twist we just made and we're gonna thread that through to the front of our first flower. So you can see the center of the flower. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, so now back to the back side. We're gonna do 2 little spacer bubbles. 1 and 2 little spacer bubbles, and then we're gonna twist into the connection where the first flower and the second flower meet. So now this is completely secured, it's all locked in, we can let go and it won't come undone, and that's what it's looking like from the front. We're gonna repeat for the next 2 flowers. So we're gonna come across, we're gonna do 2 tiny little spacer bubbles in our yellow. 1 and 2. Okay, and then we're gonna do a bigger bubble for the pinch twist. So about a nice full half-inch bubble. We're gonna turn this big bubble into a pinch twist. And then we're gonna thread that pinch twist through the middle of our middle flowers. Just push it right on through there. Pop out the front side. All right, you guys seeing what I'm laying down? Okay, now coming out the back, we're gonna do 2 more little spacer bubbles. 1 and 2. And then we're gonna twist this into the intersection where our second and third flowers meet. Okay, so now that is all locked in place. Now you can kind of see we're creating just like a straight yellow line across the back of our flowers as we go along. So that is kind of what it should be looking like if you're doing it correctly at home. Now we're gonna finish off the last flower, so you're gonna need 2 little spacer bubbles again. Here we go, and then we're gonna need a big pinch twist. Not too big, but you know what I mean. All right, we're gonna feed this pinch twist through the middle of our last flower, so it's peeking out the front, looking so super cute. Okay, now to finish this off, I like to come out in the back and I'm gonna do a semi-big bubble in my yellow, and we're gonna make this into a pinch twist. And having this pinch twist here and the pinch twist here on the other side just makes it really easy to attach our new little flower crown to anything. But also, you guys, I didn't realize this until I was filming this earlier and it didn't record, so I'm doing it again. But I was so super excited. I put this up on my head and oh my goodness, you guys, this bonus tutorial, you can just take the ends, the tails of your balloon, bring them back and twist them together at the back of somebody's head, and Like, you've got the cutest little flower hippie hat. Like, this is so stinking adorable. I love this. So I'm like super tempted to just cut off the tutorial and be like, that's it. This is really what the tutorial was for. But no, we're gonna put this on our bunny ears. So I'm gonna destroy my little hippie hat here. We're going to cut off our tails here, leaving nice long tails so that we can attach this to our bunny ears. So you can just cut those off. And now you've got nice long tails ready to attach this to anything, really. I've got my bunny ears now, and we're just gonna place our little flower crown right in front of our bunny ears and line it all up. And then take your tails on either side, and you just want to gently pull them. You don't really want to like yank on it, just nice and snug. Pull them out the back, wrap them around your ear, just maybe once or twice. You don't want them to be too tight. And then same thing on the other side. Just grab your tail, wrap it around that ear, just so that it's tight enough to stay on. Ta-da, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this one. Okay, so let's see how this looks, how it wears. Oh my goodness. This is like, I know I say this every week, but isn't this like the cutest thing I've ever done? I love it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I cannot wait to hear your feedback on this one because I think it is so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay, so this will be a big hit for this year. So I've definitely got clip art for you guys over at balloonmenus.com. You can pick up the version with the flower crown, and I've also created another version without the flower crown, so you can pick what would be best and fastest for whatever events you're doing. Let me know in the comments which version of the hat that you saw tonight you like the best. Just the bunny ears with the flowers, or the awesome flower hippie hat. That was like bonus tutorial. I hope you guys like that one because I'm about ready to make a bunch for me and my daughter, and we're just gonna wear those tomorrow. So I hope you guys really like this tutorial and get a lot of use out of these bunny ears in your upcoming events for this holiday season. If you're a channel member of mine, make sure to check out the channel members area on my channel. I gotta say channel one more time. And you're gonna get the clip art for the ears with and without the flowers for free this week. Also, I've got a bonus tutorial just for my channel members on my go-to line work bunny rabbit, which I thought would be helpful for you guys this time of year to know what bunny I use when I'm really in like a fast-paced festival situation. So I'm gonna show you my favorite bunny when I need to move fast. So that's it for this week. If you're new here, again, make sure you subscribe. I put out new videos every single Tuesday, and I'd love to see you back again next week. So make sure you ring that bell so you get notified when my new videos come out. And it will totally make my day to see you guys post pictures over on Facebook. That's where I'm at most often, of your bunny ears this week. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with this design. If you try out other animal ears with this concept, I cannot wait to see what your creative minds come up with. So definitely share those photos with me and make sure you tag me so that I can see them. Thanks for joining me on your Tuesday. I'll be back here same time, same place next week, and I look forward to seeing you again for another Tutorial Tuesday.